This is down 6. You advise and this is going back. You're approaching on house copy over.
Oh! Oh!
You got him? Medic!
Is he down?
Shit! No, he's medicing me.
Oh,
I
get
have
him.
no idea.
Guns up, guns up. We're going to be taking the left flank once he's up. Ready to
I
go?
got hit by a sniper. We're going to go to the swamp?
Right in there.
Put this in my...
You guys blocking for us.
Thank you. Put this in my scabbard.
Out of this piece, buddy.
Roger. Go to the swamp!
We're getting the fuck out of here. Get those guys to push those forces back. You got guys in the swamp across the road.
Roger. Nice job. Where are we going?
I hit him. On point. Take us out. 12 o'clock. Dispersion, guys. Dispersion. 5 meters.
Spread out.
Medic, you're at the back.
Let's get up front.
Roger.
Greg.
Watch yourselves. I don't know where they are.
You're on me. Is that cool?
Yep. Hey, awesome camo. Could you keep an eye on Bob for me?
Yeah, dude, that's sick.
Yeah, appreciate it.
I've come this far just to make sure. The moment he gets in, I call it secure. That's why I wanted to stay with y'all.
I appreciate that, buddy.
Well, I'm rooting for you.
Yeah! Hell yeah.
Any man who puts out and throws up, I like.
He's got a ranger up afterwards, you know?
Exactly. Ranger up. Oh,
On you, Nate.
I'm waiting for him. The moment he steps in the center.
Right here?
All right. Bob has reached the fire base safely. Repeat, Bob has reached the fire base safely.
Excellent work, gentlemen. High five. Great job, buddy. Thanks for the medic. Nice job.
Go code part B.
Let's go!
Great job, gentlemen.
Pipelines.
Thanks, guys.
We're gonna hold on pipelines, I think, for now. I think he said. I don't know.
All right. So what are we up to now?
Step it up. I want a southern perimeter. They want to take Bob there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dude, these are not draining, so I hear you.
Oh no, it just moves a little bit. It's like
Yeah.
water been in my shoes. Good stuff. Good stuff. I think that one's a red troop again.
Yellow troop, southern.
Yeah. Well, I was hoping they would just hit him hard enough to where we could get out of there.
But I had no idea they would decimate and just roll them.
What happened?
Dude, they came in so hard and fast, they rolled the whole team.
The Tim's team?
They rolled the whole Tim's team between you and us. They rolled all of them. And it was just like, hey, we were waiting for you.
Oh, man, that's funny.
Give me a